What's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add debit card to MoonPay. Debit cards are one of the fastest ways so that you will be able to buy your crypto. So yeah, here's an explanation on how you can do it. So the first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, and activated your portfolio for smooth procedure. So after that's all set, you will just have to look for the payment methods. So you do have to ensure that this feature is available for you, and after you see the payment methods, you will just have to click that, and then you will select add card, and then you will enter your debit card number, expiration, CVV, billing address, and so on. And then after that, you will just have to verify with OTP from your bank, and the card should now be ready for instant crypto purchases. And by the way, you should only use personal debit cards to prevent fraud or transaction errors. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.